To fix the E22 error in a Hoover washing machine, it's essential to understand what this code indicates. The E22 code signifies that the washing machine is not draining after the rinse cycle. Common causes of this issue include unblocked hoses, a blocked pump filter, or a malfunctioning drain pump. To resolve the problem, start by resetting the washing machine. Turn it off at the power source. Wait for a minute, and then turn it back on to see if the error code has disappeared. If the issue persists, check the hoses for blockages by pulling out the washing machine, removing the top, and locating the pressure switch where a thin hose is connected. Remove the hose and blow through it to check for clogs. Additionally, clean or unclog the hose that runs from the machine's dispenser to the drum. Inspect the machine's filter for any blockages and remove any debris that may have accumulated. This can be done by placing a towel under the filter and pulling it out. If the drain pump is malfunctioning, it may be necessary to contact a technician to replace it. By following these steps, the E22 error in the Hoover washing machine should be resolved.